Going on, family? Wanted to check in. Just went and pick Mr. Fred back up. They had to order the rear glass and come tinted already, so I got the front done and they just did the rear ones, but I paid for both of them the same time. I got a great deal on it, so the guy did a great deal. Good job on it. So my goal now, like I said, I only got a couple more things to do. It's running strong. I already had a tune-up, so I just need to put that belt on there, a couple small things, and we're gonna start getting some money. So I got a light over here out, my signal, so I gotta take this off and put another signal light in there. But other than that, it's coming, family, it's coming. So one stage at a time, not doing too much, but get Mr. Fred off the ground, so that way we can kill several birds with one stone. It's all about the tools you have, all about the tools. So don't get caught up in the image of things. If it's making money, it's making money. All right.